If you're wondering how you can enable full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now under the phone settings, just tap on incoming calls, and from here instead of banner, just tap on full screen. After you do that, then go to your home screen and open the Contacts app. And from here, just select the contact for which you want to set a caller ID. For an example, I will select this contact. Now from here, just tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Tap on Poster. Now from here, just scroll down and customize the contact poster as you like. Now you can select a monogram, you can select an emoji, or you can select a photo from your Photos app. I will select Photo, then tap on Photo Library. Now in the Photos app, you can select a photo to set it as the caller ID. Now from here, you can zoom in or zoom out on the photo. You can tap on the name and you can change the font. You can also change the thickness of the font as you like. And also you can customize the color of the font. Now after you're done creating the caller ID, then tap on Done. Select Done. Now if you want to set the caller ID as the avatar, you can select it from here, but for now I will select the monogram. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a caller ID for the selected contact. Now if I receive a phone call from the selected contact, as you can see, we have successfully enabled full screen photo for the caller ID for the selected contact. And this is how you can enable full screen photo caller ID for incoming calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.